Some of the challenges manufacturers are facing today are really threefold. First, aging workforce. The baby boomers are in fact working towards retirement, and as that march continues, organizations, particularly manufacturers, are going to be impacted. The second is we as a developed country have a socio-economical change that has occurred. We don't want our children to grow up and be skilled trades or maintenance personnel. We want them to be doctors, lawyers, executives. That's kind of dried up the pool and left us without the kind of talent that we need developed. Third is the economy again. But as our developed countries have shifted from a manufacturing economy to a service-oriented economy, that's left us in a situation where it's been offshored, and that talent pool is now no longer with our organizations. Training to address the lack of craft skills in today's world is a very complex process, but it really boils down to four fundamental, almost pyramid-style answers. First, basics, fundamentals. You gotta have reading, writing, arithmetic. And you'd be surprised how many of our population does not have those basic skills. So you've got to work on that first. From there you go into advanced fundamentals, things like hydraulic theory, electrical theory, AC/DC, things that are basic yet still a building block mentality. From there you move up into the last two tiers, where you get into the production elements and then the advanced equipment specific elements. At the production level, we're still learning how all of these processes work together and how all this equipment is supposed to do its job. At the equipment specific, we're looking right at, say, a PLC or a pump or a motor and identifying absolutely what needs to be done just for that particular core piece of equipment. And what's critical there is it's got to be hands-on. We have to make sure that this skilled trades workforce gets the transfer and they work with their hands, so therefore that learning needs to be with their hands. Where are the companies going to find this type of a talent pool is an incredibly good question. The difficult answer is we're not sure. They're going to have to do it in-house. Traditionally, we relied on the military. They were young, well-talented, experienced, and they were well-trained. But that talent pool is drying up, it's much smaller, and it's very specialized today. Another area was the community colleges. But the community colleges can no longer keep up with the complex manufacturing processes for just one manufacturer. They have to support multiple manufacturers in an area, which leaves them very challenged for their budget for the equipment. So therefore, manufacturers reach in-house. They internalize that training program and then build from within.